Yo, me hit that. This video, I'm gonna tell you the 3 features that I still like about my damn Camaro that over the years is like, I'm still in love with it, you know? So, these are my 3 features that I still fuck with in my Camaro. Y'all let me know if y'all still, on y'all Camaros, if y'all like these features. Most people they do, cause I see people be adding it into their cars that don't come originally, but feature number 1, I'm not sure if I can show y'all, I could change it right now while I'm driving, but feature number 1 that I still fuck with my Camaro. Alright, hold on, let's see, it's a Sonata behind me. I don't know why these people be, it be the Sonata people and the Ultima people be driving like they ass in the race cars for some reason. But anyway, feature number 1 I still fuck with. The lights. I like being able to change the lights. Right now the light's red. Let me see if I can change it while I'm driving. Let me see. If I can do this on the fly. You go to light, I like my lighting. You go to the lighting, you can change the lighting, you can turn them off. Boom, I like that. Off, lights are off. I gotta make sure I can make this video at nighttime, because in the daytime you can't see all this. So, lights off. If you're trying to be in here, you know what I'm saying, stealth mode type shit, you know what I'm saying? You go here, I can turn off the other lights too, but stealth mode, you know what I'm saying? Boom. All right, lights back on. Lights on, I said. I guess it said go fuck yourself. All right, I gotta stop to turn the lights back on. Do I? Yeah, I gotta stop. All right. So, I guess they only let me turn it off while I'm driving. They won't let me turn it on while I'm driving. So, off is off. You can't turn it on from off. Dickhead type shit. See, lights back on. I can change the color. Show more. This is right here. They do a whole bunch of. It changed the colors on its own. Y'all see that? I'm in the club, boom, 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 type shit. All right. Then if I want to change it to it change during drive mode, right? Right now it's in sport. I put on tour, back to sport. I put on track. See, track is yellow, and I put on snow. That's if I have it set up for that, or I could just put it on, go back to light, right? And I could change the light, the color myself. I could pick whatever color I want. You know what I'm saying? For y'all guys, y'all want to go pink, and I'm just fuck with y'all. You know what I'm saying? But this for the females. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want to go pink? See the pink? They got the blue. They got the purple. They got this kind of light blue. I fuck with the blue though. I ain't gonna lie. My favorite color blue. I fuck with the blue. That blue here. I like the blue, but we'll go back to red. Oh, money green, money green, money green. Oh, the green, is it dark? The green ain't that dark. Different shades of green. All right. Oh, how is that green darker? That's crazy. So this is, what about that? Oh, okay. Well, we'll go back to red. Boom. And then that's it. So how I got there is lighting. Boom, you see lighting? Go to lighting. You can turn it off. Go to light strip. You can make it show more. Do the whole shit. Or if you click it on link drive mode, and it'll go based off the drive mode. Right now I'm in see, it's not showing on like drive mode no more. So when I switch it out and put it in sport, it's not gonna change. Right? Boom. That's the first feature I like. I fell in love with. Second feature is being able to go through the modes and change the exhaust sound, the active sound management. Man, that shit is so important. I love it. I put it in stealth mode. What I do now is I go to setting. I go to what it is, driving mode. I go to engine sound management, and on auto selectors it goes from here. If I press it from here, when I click on the modes right here, it changes the sound. But if I go to how I have it normally, I go and I put it just on track and just leave it on track. It'll just stay, regardless of whatever mode I put it in, it's gonna be in track, the exhaust, not everything else. But when let's say I'm gonna go slide somewhere, right? And I don't wanna make no noise, I click on stealth. This is on stealth right now. That's stealth, right? And this is, I ain't really trying to smash the gas, but, and then put on track, this track. That hit a difference? Big difference, big difference. All right, that's feature number 2, engine sound management. All right, feature number 3 for me, I'm a stick shift guy. When I ordered this car, it's supposed to come stick shift, but it didn't come stick shift. But I fell in love with it being with the pedal shifters here and it being Shiftronic. So that's feature number 3 for me. Being able to go through the gears and click, 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 you know what I'm saying? Even though I like being able to hit that clutch. But this is another feature I like, being able to upshift, downshift on the pedal, right on the steering wheel, you know. Oh, feature number 4, because this is really important. These days when it's cold, it's cold. Just to make the video short. When it's cold, it's cold. You know what I'm saying? This is a 2SS, you know what I'm saying? So, boy, it's starting to get hot now, but I'm gonna use the feature when it's hot. But when it was cold, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Boy, how important that is. Steering wheel get hot, my seats get hot now. It's gonna be too hot. I got ventilated seats. I could go in and press my little button, put my little AC on my ass, boy. Put a little coolant on my nuts. Ooh! Ice, baby. You know what I'm saying? Ice shit. But those are my features, because you know, with the leather seats, you gotta have that heating and cooling, because the shit be crazy, boy. How hot and how cold it get. Them seats, they ain't gonna do nothing but do you damage, boy. But those are my 3 features, but I made it a bonus feature, my 4th feature, which is the heated and cooling seats and the heated steering wheel. Those are my 4 features that I still love about my Gen 6 Camaro. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe. Your boy. Oh shit, I'm out here about to burp and shit. God damn. Your boy out of here.